Well, first of all, congratulations at nakapag-organize na kayong lahat and you have already your officers. Very simple lang yung what I wanted to impart to all of you was now what we have been doing recently. We have been trying to engage, the national government has been trying to engage more and more the local governments in everything that we do. Even if it is technically a national project, for example, we're all, naghahanap kami ng paraan na pwedeng mag-ugnayan ang national at saka local government. Marami nang tayong programa na ganun, yung LGSF, yung socio-civic the development program, tapos yung sa school building, na binaba namin lahat. Tiyakin na inyo na mapunta sa tama. Tiyakin na inyo na tama ang pagkagamit, na it is efficiently used, na walang masyadong wastage. Diba? At saka hindi mas mabilis ang paggawa. Ginagawa na namin lahat. Pero in the end, to identify the most needy in each community, we need you. We should now view the national government and the local government as working together as one. Pagtibayin natin ang cooperation, ang koordinasyon ng local at saka national, at yan ang talagang magkaka-synergy and mararamdaman ng tao kagad. Okay?